Every toy you get, you like to ride it. If it has wheels, huh? Can you go fast? That's a tractor. Is that a tractor you're driving? Are you a farmer? Where's the cow? Where's the cow? It's your grandma. Get the cow. Here, give grandma the cow. Can grandma have the cow? Can I have the cow?
Cow.
Where is he? You find him? Oh, you threw him over there. Poor cow.
Cow.
Bye.
Bye.
You going for a ride?
What?
Ride?
What?
Ride. Wow. What are you gonna do when you get bigger? And then you won't fit on it. Chicky or ducky?
Ducky.
What's a ducky say? What's a ducky say?
Quack, quack.
What's some cow say? Cow say. I didn't say cow say. I said what does a cow say? Moo! Spider-Man. Where's Ashley? Say Ashley. Ashley.